Welcome to Mini of Omaha. We're currently in a 2020 Mini Cooper SL4 Countryman. Right now we're going to go over how to connect your Apple CarPlay. First and foremost, you have to have the navigation that is in with your Mini to have Apple CarPlay. So right now I'm going to go into my settings on my phone. I'm going to go into my Bluetooth. I'm going to scroll all the way down because it's going to pop up there. Now I'm going to go into the Bluetooth device. I'm going to manage mobile devices, connect new device. I'm going to go into Apple CarPlay. Yes, I want to connect Apple CarPlay and confirm. It's going to come down here and give it a couple seconds. The code will pop down here for a real brief second here. We're going to click onto it. We're going to yes, please pair. I'm going to come over here and say okay. I'm going to allow because I want my contacts to be stored into the data of the car so I can make my phone calls, my text messages, things of such. It does take a few seconds. Don't worry, it will connect. It does take a few minutes. I'm going to say use CarPlay. Right now it's kind of syncing all that information from my phone onto the car, so it has all that information and now we are connected. And I do have a message there. I'm not going to read it because it's private anyways. So that's how we set up our CarPlay, and we can use our iPhone as well as our iPhone on our car. All right.